To get started, sign up using the special link you see on the screen down below, or just click on the first link in the video description. When you sign up through that link, you'll get 90% off of the first 6 months, which is a better deal than what you'll find even on the Xero homepage. Once you join me on this page, we'll select a plan, sign up, and then I'll show you around once we land in the dashboard. Once you're here, click here to get 90% off for 6 months. Then, enter your contact details here to get started with Xero. Once you've entered your details, click Next. To get started, we'll need to open our email and verify your account. I'll open my email inbox in a new tab. I'll find the latest email from Xero that says confirm your email address, and then open it. Then click here to get started. Choose a password, then click Activate your account. Add your business details here, then click Buy Now. And Xero will start setting up your business. On this screen, you can compare the Xero plans. I'll select the early plan for this video, and you can always upgrade later. Here you'll see the 90% off for the next 6 months, and you can continue by clicking Continue to Add-ons. Then continue to your billing account. On this screen, I'll add my business address, then click Continue to review and pay. Once you've entered your payment details, click Confirm Purchase. Then click Done.